Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of B Harmonic Minor. We will cover 2 octaves and 4 octaves, and the first thing we're going to do is review the notes for a B Harmonic Minor scale. So they are Do, B, Re, C sharp, May, D, Fa, E, So, F sharp, Lay, A, and then T is A sharp and B. So remember, in these harmonic minor scales we have this augmented second. In this case we have the large stretch between 3 and 4 in the right hand and 3 and 2 in the left hand. Now we're going to just quickly talk about fingering. Right hand has what I call standard fingering, which means cross under 3 and then cross under 4 and then 3. Left hand is a little bit different because the left hand starts with finger 4. The left hand will cross with 4 and then 3. But it's easy to remember because we have the black key there and the black key there. Just remember 4 is first instead of 3. So there's a couple things to keep in mind when you're playing formula pattern scales that will make it easier. So the first thing to keep in mind is, are you playing parallel? Same notes, same direction at the same time? Are you playing contrary motion, which means the hands are going in different directions? One hand is playing the scale up, and one hand is playing the scale down. So it sounds like this. In the contrary, you really have to keep track of where the black keys are, especially in this key. There's 3 black keys. So keep track of the black keys. So then, if you take a look at the chart above, then you just want to organize your scale. So you'll see the up portion has the skinny 2 lines, so that's going to be a parallel section. Then we have out and in, contrary. Then we have up and down, parallel. And then out and in, another contrary. And then finally, down. So we're going to lock in all the fingering, all the changes with a short, long rhythmic technique. And it's going to feel like this. So we'll start with 4 on Do, 1 on Do. Here we go, 1 octave up. Right hand cross under 3, left hand cross with 4. Now right hand's going to continue on up. Now we're doing contrary, out. And then contrary in. Right hand's going down in the scale, left hand's going up in the scale. Now right hand's going to turn around, left hand's going to cross over, and we're in a parallel segment. Hands moving, same notes at the same time. Now we're going to do contrary. Right hand's going to switch directions. Left hand continue on down. Now left hand goes up the scale, right hand down, in. Going to continue on down, last parallel segment. Now we'll do that straight without the dotted rhythm. Here we go. Up. Out, contrary, left hand switches direction. In, right hand, switch direction, come back in. Up, right hand switches, left hand continues on up, and both hands parallel, down. Left hand continues down, right hand turns around, contrary, and in. Right hand continues down, parallel, down. Now, if you take a look at the chart above, you'll see the only thing that changes when we switch from a 2-octave formula pattern to 4 is the length of the segment. So we're doing 2 octaves. We went up 1 octave, out, in, up, down, out, in, down. All of our segments were 1 octave. Now, we're going to start a little bit lower, and our hands will be 1 octave apart, but the segments will be 2 octaves. So we're going to go up 2 octaves, then out, in, up, down, out, in, and back down. So let's do that. Remember, left hand starts on finger 4. Here we go. Up 2 octaves, parallel. 1 more octave. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern in the key of B harmonic minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano literature, piano technique, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.